Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your debit card of the HSBC using your web browser. So first, you're gonna open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the Google search bar you're gonna type in HSBC. Then you're gonna click on the first link that you see. Once it loads, you're going to click on online banking right there. If it's a personal banking, you're going to choose this, or if it's a business banking or something else, you're going to choose. So now, which country are you from, or which country is the account from, right? So let's say I'm from UK. Just click on go. So now the HSBC site from the UK or for the UK opens. Now we're going to click on login. Let the page load. So once you see this, you're going to enter your username and you're going to click on continue. Then it'll ask you for a password or some two-factor authentications like an OTP to your phone, an OTP to your email address, stuff like that. So once you sign in to your online banking account, go to the debit card section and click on activate your debit card. So now you'll be presented with a series of steps or instructions to activate your new debit card. What you need to do is you need to follow all the steps and instructions clearly and give the correct information of the debit card, like its number or something else. Once you've completed all the steps, you have successfully activated your debit card. If this content helps you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.